Hey, hi everyone. Thanks for listening this YouTube talk. Today I'm trying to showcase the capabilities of Gemini. Gemini uh, is multimodal LLM, so I'm trying to play with Gemini Flash. So where I'm trying to see how it's going to work it out from a simple sketch. So from an idea uh, to 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 final how you can write a code and create a market campaign for your product. So most of the ideas which we try to do it is with a sketch and a hand, and using that sketch and try to use the large language multimodal large languages to come across and try to do a market campaign and create a script for it. So today I'm trying to use one simple product sketch which been written, handwritten one, and then use that and convert into an idea with using a prompt to know right what kind of idea it's can generated and how that idea into the market as a product and do what campaign, what could be the suggestions that we can ask to Gemini is gonna give to us and write a HTML script to show that how it's gonna looks like into their website. So I consider there is a lot of people who's doing this. They might have their ideas, so let's take that. So today's session is talks about like creating a market campaign from a product sketch. Like let's deep dive how I'm doing that. So 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 if you try to see this exercise, what we're trying to use, we are leveraging Gemini API to create a full blown market campaign for a product which we just started with a sketch, and we ask Gemini to analyze the product, generate the names, taglines, and create a basic HTML landing page and try to do a powerful marketing for us. So I install the Google generative AI, the one, and I import is generative AI libraries to do that. Let's run one by one. I already ran this install, and I have already kept my key and as my authentication as well. So what I'm trying to do is into the marketing campaign, I give a product with a description and what could be the featured list it should have. So I'm invoking Gemini 1.5 Flash here. So I've considered a product sketch, which I kept into the storage, and I download that image from here. So the moment I already have the sketch, I try to download the sketch. What I'm trying to do it right, I take a simple sketch, which is a bit drawn it, and I'm trying to use Gemini to understand the image because it's multimodal, so it can analyze that image and identify what are the key factor features like to be keep it in the design. And this is a kind of a sketch which I've taken from the image. If you look at this sketch, it's explained. It's like jetpack backpack which fits 18 inches laptop, lightweight, looks normal, and it should have boosters and self-powered with green and clean. What does means like it should be into the green kind of like one, so it should not be into any kind of a plastic one, and it should have the USB charging and battery life. So it's kind of a like advanced campaign jetpack where bunch of your friends goes out and they can spend a trip and they carries the laptop with them. So, and how Gemini is trying to analyze what are the prompts I have given into the sketch. So the moment I run this, analyze this prompt, it's take that image and it's trying to understand each of the product sketch description and everything. So I come back here. I ask Gemini, have you understand what I'm trying to build it here? Sorry, I haven't not clicked this one. So what it does, it's try to analyze the backpack that is rectangular boosters powered by steam. It can be used to fly. It's just a theme I have given it, right, which has all the support. And whatever I've written it here, it's almost as taken all those prompts to it, and it's added that as a feature list. It should be the steam power, clean and lightweight. It looks like normal backpack, but it has support USB charger and 15 minutes battery and 18-inch laptop fit. So what does it mean? The moment I send that, it's analyze the prompt to identify the sketch. And then I thought like to do a idea to generate a market idea, which I'm not sure how to sell that. So I ask it to create some ideas, right up, given the product name, which should be a catchy name, which should reflect the unique features of my product. And I asked to keep a tagline for my product, which should be unique in the sense. And I asked like, what are the kind of marketing channels? How can I generate this one? What could be my target audience? So I run this prompt, um, and it started giving me suggestions, right? So it gives me names, it gives me the backpack, the Skywalker, the commuter, right? So I have chosen the jet backpack for my campaign. And I asked like who would be my target audience for this, right? So I asked them write a kind of a post for me to having kind of like a catchy word for my target audience. So the moment which when I run it, right, it's trying to give me uh, those kind of a taglines, which I can say like experience the freedom of flight with a backpack, with jet backpack. What does it means that so even I'm no need to worry about like the how I needs to write those taglines. I can choose my product name with the suggestion, and I've taken like reach new heights with Nimbus, right, which have taken that as a name, and I asked to generate a kind of like HTML for me to do the marketing, the create ad campaign. The moment I generated that, it automatically create me the HTML response to me. So what is I'm trying to say it here? What are the ideas you got it with, which is idea, it's in a sketch or it's like a basic. We can use the multimodal LLMs try to be make as a one unique product. So to no need to worry too much about, right? You can You can write your ideas down and use that. And I have been created a sample HTML one. So the moment I've created this, I copy and paste it here. So as a viewer, so reach new heights with Nimbus. Sky is the limit. Explore what you see the world from a whole new perspective. So it says like from a sketch to accompanying your product in a few clicks of the ones. And I generated a few kind of images, right, for my traveling backpack with whatever the prompt which I've given into my sketch. It has charging capabilities. It should be traveling. So it's generate those images, right, with the colleagues ones. And I have this notebook with me. Whoever wants this notebook, they can reach out to me. And thanks for watching it. I hope I can bring more content from the